Do you keep getting a black screen on your League of Legends Wild Rift game apps on Android? Hey, my name is Erin and here are my top 3 troubleshooting ways to quickly fix your black screen issues on the League of Legends Wild Rift game on mobile. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Fix or adjust your graphics setting. Open Setting. Scroll down. Tap Additional Setting. Scroll down. Tap the Developer Options. Scroll down. Find Graphics Driver Preferences. From this list of apps, please find out League of Legends apps. Select the app. Choose System Graphic Driver. Solution 2. Remove Software Glitch. Now tap and hold League of Legends gaming apps. Tap App Info. Enable the Auto Start option. Also enable app permission. Now allow all the necessary permission for your app. Go back here, choose other permission. Like before, please allow the list of options that you have here. Go back and tap restricted data usage. Enable Wi-Fi and both mobile data from here. After this, tap battery saver. Select no restrictions. Tap clear data. Tap clear all data. Tap OK. Solution 3. Update the app. Open the Google Play Store. Type League of Legends. Check for the new software update. After following these 3 processes, you will solve your problem. Now, if you still have any back screen issues on your League of Legends mobile app, let me know in the comment sections below. Thanks for watching.